And as for the Mumbai police, now a chemical analysis is being conducted as part of the post-mortem procedure of the late actor Siddharth Shukla. The Mumbai police claims that they have been informed by the family members that he felt uneasy at around 3 to 4 a.m. following which he took some medicines. However, he did not wake up in the morning and an ambulance was called shortly after. This is the latest version coming in from a Mumbai police official who has now confirmed that a chemical analysis will be conducted. The police have also informed and have been informed by the family members that Siddharth Shukla was calm till last evening. He felt uneasy at around 3 to 4 a.m. He took some medicines and went back to sleep. And in the morning, when he did not wake up, the ambulance was called in by the family members. Let me now go across to my colleague Yesha, who's also joining us live from outside the Cooper Hospital. Yes, Yesha, help us understand this latest statement coming in from the Mumbai police official.
So this particular information has come in from the Mumbai police officials, because what we've understood so far is that the statements have now been recorded and postmortem is going on right now, right inside here at the Cooper Hospital. What we understand is that considering he was brought in here at 10:30 a.m. At this particular point, what we've understood is that his family had got him here. It's been mentioned by the Mumbai police officials that he was fine until last evening. It was only at 3 a.m. last night was when he felt uneasy. He was given some medicine, following which he went to sleep. Considering that he didn't wake up in the morning was when they had brought him here to the hospital. Now the Mumbai police have done their bit of investigation, as a result of which this postmortem is going on inside this particular hospital that we are speaking about. In fact, his mother and his sister had also come in here, but it will take almost 2 to 3 hours more for the postmortem to take place, following which his family would decide on his last rites. And as what we understand is that this particular statement has come in as Mumbai police was already recording statements of people. They had reached his Oshiwara residence. They had in fact also come to the Cooper Hospital, and now further course of action is being done. That is, approximately a 3-member team is right now inside the hospital where they are where they will be conducting his postmortem. It's approximately a 2 to 3 hour long procedure. Earlier it was expected that the postmortem would begin at 12:30, but considering they were awaiting, that is the hospital authorities were awaiting instructions from the Mumbai police, postmortem has just begun right now. Approximately half an hour back, we've seen that there's tight police bandobast outside his house as well as residents, because a lot of people have been gathering here to pay tributes. Also, some of his fans have gathered. We've seen that he was in fact a rising star, not only in the TV circles but also in the Bollywood, where he had made his debut with Hamti Sharma Ki Dulhania. In fact, he had also worked in various reality shows, as a result of which he built a lot of connects. Even looking at his social media handles, what we now understand is that he was well aware of instances happening. He was close to his family, he was close to his friends, and which is why now it's come as a deep shock to all of them, because he's passed away too soon. Yes.
All right, thank you, Yesha, for getting us that update. But stay with us. Help us understand how soon can we expect the postmortem report to come out. And as you rightly pointed out, it was supposed to begin at 12:30 this afternoon, but it got postponed. And after receiving an official confirmation from the Mumbai police, help us understand the family members and what the Mumbai police has also stated.
So what we understand is that he was staying here with his family, and it was in fact his family members who had got him to the Cooper Hospital here. What we'd seen was that while the officials had clearly confirmed that he was brought dead, because when he was brought to the hospital, a particular doctor called Dr. Niranjan had examined him. There was no pulse, which was observed when Siddharth Shukla was brought to the hospital, and in that context, which is why they declared him dead on arrival, and the Mumbai police had taken over the case. As per the record of the Mumbai police, they went to his residence, recorded Panchanama, and we were expecting that his last rites would take place by later this evening. But in that context, what really has happened is, considering that his postmortem has been delayed, what we understand is only then, after his postmortem, will his family members announce about his last rites, particularly because it will take approximately more 3 hours for his postmortem reports to be out. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Aisha, for getting us that update. We'll be closely tracking the developments and keep coming back to you for more.